Hey scholars! Today we're going to research Texas state symbols. These are symbols that are specific to the state of Texas and designated for specific reasons, okay? Here is how you're going to do this. You are going to click on the Monday folder under this week's assignments, and inside of the Monday folder, you're going to see Learn It. Research Texas state symbols using this guide. Here's the guide that you're going to use. When you click into that portion of the lesson, this guide is going to pop up, and this is just a picture of the guide. You're not going to actually be able to type in this guide right now. The way you're going to access this page is through this link right here, the Texas state symbols highlighted in blue. You will click on this link, and it's going to take you to this page. This is exactly what your screen is going to look like. You're simply going to be forced to make a copy of this. Okay, so let's make a copy. And here's what your page is going to look like. It's going to say up here in the top left-hand corner, copy of Texas state symbols virtual. What I want you to do is erase the copy of portion, and that's where you're going to put your name on your paper. So I'm going to put Mrs. Phillips. That's how I'm going to know it's your paper. Okay. And here's where you're going to be able to do some research on Texas state symbols. Under nickname, well, actually, let's back up. It says, what is the Texas state blank? Okay. The first one is nickname. What is the Texas state nickname? This sentence right here, the sentence stem, is going to help you do your research. So I'm simply going to open a new tab to do research in, and I am going to type into my search engine, what is the Texas state nickname? Okay, press enter. And it pops up with the Lone Star State. That, in fact, is the Texas state nickname. So I'm going to put the Okay. So number one is complete. We did that together. The Texas state nickname is the Lone Star State. All right, now it's your turn to research the Texas state symbols, the rest of them. There are 17 total. You will have an opportunity to check your answers using the Practice It tab in the folder. There is a video linked into that tab for you to check your answers, but I want you to use the Google search engine first to find all of these, and then you can check your answers. All right, happy searching.